In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Emergency Information and click on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to add. By tapping on Add Contact again, you can select the other ones. When you finished, in order to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the chosen one, in my case this one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to make sure that your contacts were successfully added, switch off your screen, turn it back on, swipe up and click on Emergency at the bottom. Then click on Emergency Information at the top. Tap again to open. And as you can see, all my emergency contacts are over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!